Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you about WhatsApp new feature in which WhatsApp added avatar option. You must have used avatar in Facebook and Instagram, but now WhatsApp has also added this feature in it. So in this video, I will tell you how to use avatar option in WhatsApp. First, you have to check Apple Store or App Store and check that WhatsApp is updated or not. If it is not updated, you must have to update the WhatsApp first. After the updating, you have to open that application and go to the settings area. Here you can see the new option avatar. Open it and after that tap on create your avatar. Now WhatsApp is giving instructions. You simply have to tap on get started now. After tapping on get started now, WhatsApp will ask to provide you a picture of yourself. You have to provide a picture of yourself, and after providing a picture you have to select the skin tone as well. Now you only have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes and all the work will be done by the help of AI. You can see your AI avatar is created now, and now you can use these avatar as sticker. You can also use as emoji and also in a GIF as well. So by this way you can easily create avatar in WhatsApp. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.